First round.
First round, Russian Roulette. First round. It's a Nerf gun, though. Ah, he died.
I'm out.
Okay, he's out.
It's always me.
So it's King Mom's turn. Oh, he's safe.
Spin it.
You don't die. There's 2 bullets. Oh, I'm safe. We added 2 bullets.
Add in another bullet.
Is this the next one?
I don't know why.
I don't know. I just want to see if he would have died.
It's more spread out.
Oh.
Nothing. Now Ching Chang's up. He died. All right.
Drew is the winner.
Winner. Ding ding ding.
To the last round. Oh! Yo, this is round 2. This time we're starting with 2 bullets in the gun. Let's show the gun. Show the 2 bullets in there.
All right, wait. Oh, 1, 2, right there.
Yeah, we see them.
Yep. All right.
Spin it.
Don't die. He died last round. I died first last time. No!
Oh, he died again.
Dead.
Hey, Dan.
Yeah.
You'll be Kabam.
Instant pop. So lucky. Yeah, I'll spin it. You know what I'm saying?
I died.
Drew's gonna make it to the final round and be champion again.
If he dies here, we go again.
Yeah. I'll put 3 in now.
Oh, big boy. Here we go. Oh. All right, round 3. Staying with 3 bullets. We're making our way up to 5 bullets.
I'll do it.
All right.
All right, ready?
It's Kama is going first.
Let's go on. Yes!
Yes, he survived the round. Oh. Now it's time for Ching now.
Oh.
Oh, he would have died. He missed his head.
I gotta kill myself. Wait, I gotta kill myself. There you go.
Okay, he
I
died.
gotta add 2 bullets.
All right, now it's my turn. Hey, Dan. Is it 2 bullets in this one?
Yeah, yes. Here, I'll be your tape. Matthew. Don't put it so close to your head.
It's point blank. It hurts more.
No, you just gotta make it like so you can see it, like it actually got shot.
Alright,
I gotta miss this time to win it, right?
Yeah, if you get shot, you're all back in.
Oh.
I mean,
you're back
in.
There's 3 bullets in there, right?
Yeah, you died, I died. So, yeah, everyone goes.
I'm gonna just zoom in on your head. No!
Yes!
Round 4.
Round 4. 4 bullets in the gun. Mr. Chima. Oh, he died.
Ow.
Here you go.
Go.
Alright.
Still round 4.
Oh! Yeah, B!
Yeah, B. If you survive this, you put 1 more bullet in.
No! Yes, it is!
No, you have to put it in. You have to do 1 more.
Here,
You have to put that 1 in.
So then you have to put 1 more in or not?
No.
Come on, baby.
Ah! Poopy.
Show.
Alright, we're doing 5. We're doing 5.
Let me get rid of plug.
Alright, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 bullets, 6 shots.
Alright, who's going first? Chinwa? Chinwa going first.
Oh, I missed it.
Okay, so he died again.
Again. Everybody didn't die. You have to be like extremely lucky, dude.
Like I was with the 4-6.
Lucky roll, lucky roll. Woo!
Oh.
Ah,
Or you want to keep doing this? 5 bullets.
5 bullets.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh! Oh. Okay. Right. He dies. I win. Oh.
Alright, he's done again. Oh, he died. Beauties.
Spin it.
You did, but let's spin it for my good luck.
Champion.